So guys, a new show just came out of Netflix. It's from South Africa. It's called Imarked. Bafethu nizeyithanda kakhulu le show bafethu. It has a whole lot of drama, action, thriller, and a bit of romance engatheni. Bafethu, the cast is amazing. If you're a person owathandayo ama-movie afana njenge-Wrath of a Man, I believe it stars Jason Statham. It was directed by Guy Ritchie. If you actually loved that movie, you're definitely gonna love this show. Okay, so I'm just gonna explain the storyline, which what is the show about, and so that from there on you're gonna make a decision if you would like to watch it or not. But I would highly recommend that you do watch it because it's kind of like really short. It's not that long. So bafethu khona lo sisigama lakhe kuthiwa uBabalwa. She works for a security company that handles cash in transit. Okay, yabo imoto lezithatha imali. That's the company that she works for. So this one day, she got the news ukuthi ingane yakhe bandla iyagula, cancer and all of that. And also bandla, she's a God-fearing woman. She goes to church every now and again. And wonke umuntu uyawazi lokho. The community knows that, her colleagues know that, her boss knows that. And then what happens is she gets a deal from a gangster. You need to give us ama route ukuthi nihamba kanjani imoto zenu, so that sizokwazi ukuthi siyibambe, and then maybe now ungathola ukhathi wakhe. And she's like, no, I'm not gonna do that. Mind you, this lady njalo, as a churchgoer she used to be a cop, but she's no longer a cop because why? Mwavele washiya at the force because she testified against corrupt officers. So obviously she can't go back to this life. She's here now. She's a security officer. She denies the gangster's proposal and she's like, no, you know what, I'm not gonna do this. But then the situation with her daughter escalates to a much more worse condition, and then she's forced to actually do it. When she first tries to attempt to do it, it gets botched. It doesn't get successful. So she's like, oh my God, how am I gonna do this? And then moments later, she decides, well, you know what, I'm gonna do it in another way now. I'm gonna recruit someone from that old crew, and then we're gonna start our own crew. So it's more like an Ocean's 11 type of a deal. So the people that she recruits are gonna be handling certain aspects of the job so that it can be smoother. So you'll get your computer guy, your bomber guy, everything. Like everyone has a duty of some sort to play in order for the robbery to go as according to plan. All these people that she recruits are actually people from the church. The lady's husband is a devoted Christian. I'm not sure if he's a deacon or he's a pastor at church, but he is a devoted Christian. So she actually recruits some of the church members to actually help her with this heist. Now the question is, does the heist get successful? We do not know. Please watch it. I don't know what to say, but I loved it. I loved the cast. Khona lapha bafethu uBonko Khoza, khona bo Stumo Mtshali, khona bo yena uLerato Mvelase bafethu niyamazi. I think the last show that she actually featured on it was Icala on Mzansi Magic season 2. I actually loved that. Khona wonke umuntu, khona Dr. Jerry Mfokeng. Who else is there? Khona Desmond Dube, Natasha Tahani, Mduduzi Mabaso, aka Suffocate from Rhythm City. Everyone is there, bafethu. Please do watch it, bafethu. You're actually gonna love it. Come on. I'm always voting and always advocating for South African content to be watched on these streaming services, particularly on Netflix. Khona abantu bezohola bafethu babe sharp. I mean, Netflix, in most cases and not, they're always releasing shows upcoming mostly from Europe and South America. I mean, it's good for them, yeah, but we also need that exposure. So Buffett, watch it. Thank you so much for coming through to my channel. I'm gonna see you again in another video.